Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cookin' in the County, and this is video 2 of strange Facebook recipes. Now I say it's strange only because I'm looking at them like, how is that going to work? So last video we did the Kool-Aid pie, and that was really weird, but very strangely worked out. This video today is going to be the ice cream bread. Now it claims you only need 2 ingredients to make this ice cream bread. So upon further reading, if you have self-rising flour, then you only need 2 ingredients, flour and your 2 cups of softened ice cream. But if you don't, you can add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna find out if this is really a thing, ice cream bread. First thing we're going to do, so all you're going to need for this ice cream bread is flour, softened ice cream. I have vanilla. Because I don't have self-rising flour, I'm going to use baking powder and sprinkles for the top. Okay, so 1.5 cups, I have all-purpose flour. If you're going to use self-rising flour, then just 1.5 cups of flour and you're done. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This is a half, so I gotta do 2 here. And then your ice cream. Softened ice cream. So I scooped out 2 cups of ice cream, set it on the counter for it to soften up, and it wasn't quite 2 cups, so I had to keep adding a little bit more. I'm assuming she meant softened 2 cups. So that's what I have here. And you just mix it together. Until well combined. So we're gonna put this in the oven, 350 for 45 minutes to bake this ice cream bread. It looks almost, it looks like bread dough, kind of. Like before you start adding more and more flour, I'm gonna get a whisk. That might help. It's really cold. Let's get a whisk here. Maybe that's, and it's really, really, really thick. Like pancake. Almost like a pancake batter, but it's kind of lumpy, a little bit. And if I keep stirring, the lumps will go away. See how thick it is? Okay, I think the lumps are pretty good. Pan. I'm going to spray it with a little Baker's Joy here. And scrape down the sides. Doesn't fill it very full, but I can't imagine this is going to be a really tall bread. We'll see. This should straighten it out. So it doesn't fill it very full, see? The last thing we're going to do is add some sprinkles on top. ice cream bread going in the oven for 40-45 minutes at 325. We pull it out, see what we got. Okay guys, ice cream bread is out. It didn't raise a whole bunch, but it did a little bit. Let's see if I can get it out of the pan. Don't want to lose all my sprinkles trying to get it out. Let's see. A little hot. Yeah, I figured I'd lose some sprinkles, but that's okay. Look at that, guys. It worked. I know you're supposed to wait for it to cool, but I'm really anxious to see this. I'm gonna kind of cut it here. See me cutting it? It made a bread, guys. I'm gonna try it. Don't want to ruin it. Nice and moist. Okay. So it definitely made a bread. It tastes like nothing. It tastes like flour. It tastes almost like like bread, like you would like make homemade regular bread. It does not have a lot of flavor at all. It would be perfect for something like maybe put strawberries over it. I wouldn't make it just to eat it as a sweet bread, you know, like a banana bread or zucchini bread or whatever. Maybe chocolate would be a little different, give you a little more flavor. Add some vanilla, add some like cinnamon or something to it. It just tastes like nothing, but the texture's fine. It tastes like bread, the floury part of bread. So it wasn't a complete bust. I mean, it looks great. It actually worked. I didn't even think it would work. I didn't think it would even rise, and it did. I think maybe changed maybe the ice cream or something, I don't know. But it was really cool and fun to do, just to see if it was gonna work. And it worked. It just doesn't taste amazing. It's not disgusting. You certainly could eat it. Put some jam on it, it would be great, right? Okay, next video is air fryer donuts. We'll see if those work out. Try it, guys. See what you can do. It's fun to experiment sometimes. So guys, as always, please consider subscribing to my channel so I can get my channel growing. Click the little bell button so you don't miss any videos that I do, and give me a big fat thumbs up if you're liking my videos. And I'm not really sure what to do next week. Is there anything that you guys would like to see me do? You can put in the comments below. Or maybe you don't want to see me do anything. Who knows? But I would gladly like to see what it is you guys would like to see, and I would try to do it. Okay guys, thanks.